Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English second paper class for the students of class 9. Look dear students, our today's topic is completing sentence and this is our lecture number 2. Okay, and term half yearly, and our lecture number is 20. Okay, and today we have already discussed about this topic in our previous YouTube class, so it's part number 2. Okay, so dear students, please follow the board. Okay, look, completing sentence. Here I am going to discuss about some rules, and though you will get these rules from your book. Okay, so you have to follow your advanced learners communicative English grammar book. Okay, there you will get more rules about this topic. Okay, so dear students, please follow the board. The rule is what? Would rather or sooner ... than. Okay, look dear students, would rather or would sooner means also rather. Okay, would rather, would sooner bears the same meaning, but would rather is used more. Okay, in the sentence having would rather or would sooner then is used. Okay, now I am going to say structure. Structure is what? Subject plus would rather plus verb of present form ... plus then plus verb or noun. Okay, I am repeating, subject plus would rather plus verb of present form ... plus then plus verb or noun. Now I am going to say an example. Look here, I would rather die ... So its answer will be what? I would rather die than beg. Okay, then I am going to discuss our next rule. Look here, I have written had better. Okay, dear students, listen. Had better means nevertheless or rather good. Okay, though the sentence with had better is in the past tense, it is not really in the past tense. Had better is indicative of unreal past which expresses the meaning of present or future tense. After had better, infinitive to is not used. Always base form of verb is used. Now I am going to say structure. Subject plus had better plus verb of base form plus ... Okay, now I am going to say an example. I had better ... Its answer will be what? You can write like this way. I had better bring him at once. Okay, dear students, now I am going to discuss about our next rule. Had plus subject plus of verb past participle. Listen dear students, if there is had plus subject plus past participle of verb in the subordinate clause, the principal clause becomes perfect conditional. Okay, now I am going to say an example. Had I seen him ... Its answer you can write like this way. Had I seen him, you have to write here, I would have given him the news. As per our rules, so how can you have to write this? Had I seen him, I would have given him the news. Okay, dear students, look here. Now I am going to discuss about without plus gerund. At the time of completing the incomplete sentence with without plus gerund, personal subject plus verb plus ... is placed at the beginning of the principal clause. Okay, I am going to say an example. Without reading more ... Answer, without reading more you cannot pass. Okay, look here, next rule, by plus gerund. At the time of completing the incomplete sentence with by plus gerund, subject plus verb plus ... is placed at the beginning of the principal clause. For example, by reading more ... Its answer, look here, by reading more we can learn more. Here I am going to say this example once again, by reading more ... Dear students, you can write here answer, by reading more we can learn more. So dear students, like this way you have to follow your book properly and there is no SWR today's topic. Okay, see you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz.